In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in Canva. We'll walk through two simple techniques, combining and editing basic shapes, and using frames to place images inside shapes. By the end, you'll be able to build clean, polished shapes that fit your design perfectly. Start by heading to the Elements tab and choosing a basic shape like a triangle or a square. Click to add it to your design, then resize it with the corner handles. If you want to keep proportions locked, hold Shift as you drag. Don't worry about colors just yet, you can refine those once your shape comes together. Next, duplicate your shape so you have a second copy to work with. The quickest way is using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or CMD+D, flip or rotate that duplicate to form a new outline. For example, two triangles flip point to point give you a neat hourglass base. Use the rotate handle or the flip options in the toolbar to orient each piece exactly the way you want. Now align everything so it looks intentional. Drag the shapes into place and watch for Canva Smart Guides to help you snap edges and centers into alignment. The position controls in the top toolbar are great for centering things perfectly or distributing equal spacing. If you need pixel-level precision, zoom in and nudge with your arrow keys until the edges line up cleanly. When your shapes look right, select them together by holding Shift and clicking each piece, then choose Group in the toolbar. Grouping lets you move, scale, and rotate the combined shape as a single object, which keeps everything locked in step. You can always ungroup later if you want to tweak one part. With the group selected, use the toolbar to customize. Change the fill color to match your palette, add a border for definition, and adjust the border thickness for a subtle or bold look. Many shapes support rounded corners. Dial this up for a softer, modern feel. If you want different colors for different parts, select an individual shape inside the group to edit just that piece. For images, frames are your best friend. In Elements, search for Frames and pick a style that suits your design. Drop the frame onto your canvas, then drag your image onto it. Canva will snap the photo into the frame automatically. From there, resize the frame and the image as needed so your subject is centered and the crop looks intentional. Frames act like containers, so your image stays neatly masked inside whatever shape you choose. That's it. Thanks for watching.